In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way of how to record yourself on a motorcycle, record your journeys, and also how to record your voice at the same time. Let's get straight into it.
Now, the easiest way to record yourself on a motorcycle is buying the Insta360 Ace Pro motorcycle bundle. Included in the kit is obviously the camera, chin mount, and other accessories and mounts that you attach to your bike, and it just makes it such a breeze to record yourself video wise on your motorcycle. And what we're going to do is split the kit into two distinct sections. On the left hand side here we have all the mounts that go on the motorbike, and because every motorbike is unique, I'm not going to show you where to mount these on your particular bike. That's down to you. Now, if you're not familiar with the Insta360 Ace Pro, it comes with a quick release system for easily attaching and detaching the camera. So we take this quick release plate and attach it to the chin mount, and now we can attach the camera directly to the chin mount. Next we move on to the audio side of things and how we record our voice. Now this will require one additional piece of equipment. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro microphone adapter, and what we do is remove the side door on the Insta360 Ace Pro and simply connect in the microphone adapter. I'll leave links to everything used in this video in the description box below. Next we take our chin strap mount and place it onto the front of our motorcycle helmet. On my particular helmet, the straps can run under the rubber nose protection. Then the chin mount straps simply velcro together behind the chin guard. Next we take a lavalier microphone. Now this is a budget option from Amazon. Again, I'll leave links to it in the description box below. Now what you want to do is, with any extra cable on the lavalier microphone, is roll it up nice and flat and then place it behind a cheek cushion within inside the helmet. Making sure that you leave the jack and microphone extended. Now, using the chin mount strap, you're going to clip the microphone to this, just like so. You're then going to attach the Insta360 Ace Pro to the chin mount, and then you're going to take the lavalier jack and plug this into the microphone adapter that we fitted earlier. All that is left to do is charge your battery, and then off you go.
Okay, so we've now come out with the camera and the microphone all set up. And this is going to give you a demonstration of what you can expect from this camera and microphone setup. Now at the moment we're recording in 4K, and the lavalier microphone is slightly down to the left of my chin, and this is the audio quality you can expect from it. As always though, let me know in the comment section what you think to the quality of both video and audio in the comment section below, and as I ride along I'll give you some more information about the camera and the lavalier microphone. Now the Insta360 is capable of recording up to 8K video footage. I normally set mine to 4K because that's more than adequate in my opinion. It looks absolutely fantastic in 4K. There's no need to go to the 8K, plus your SD card doesn't fill up too fast. Yeah, so at the moment we're in ultra wide view. Now we could change it to super ultra wide view or standard view, but for motorcycle riding I prefer ultra wide. It seems to give the best balance. Now the lavalier microphone is slightly down and left of my chin. I don't want it directly in front of my mouth, otherwise I'll be blowing air directly into it and then you'll get popping noises, which you really do not want. It will ruin your audio file. Now we've got the record level, the audio recording level in the camera set to -6 decibels. This is because the lavalier microphone is quite close to my mouth, and if you were to do this setup, that is the ideal audio level. You want -6 decibels. It means you're not shouting in your microphone, and yeah, that gives the perfect result in my opinion. Currently we're doing 50 miles an hour. There's quite a lot of wind noise inside the helmet, but as you can tell the lavalier microphone is dealing with it very well indeed. Now if you notice on my handlebars I've not attached any of the other mounts that come in the Insta360 kit. That's because we're only going on a 10-mile loop around from my house. If I was going on a longer journey, then I would attach multiple mounts to the camera and then every now and again just pull over to the side, swap the camera position just to give different angles and perspective of the ride. Now if you're wondering what I do when it rains, because we've got that microphone adapter on the side and the jack to the lavalier mic that's inside the helmet, obviously I don't want any water entering the camera, so I judge it by how heavy it rains. Obviously if it's only spitting, then I leave the camera on, but if it gets too heavy, then I simply pull over to the side, take the camera off, unplug it from the lavalier mic, put the camera in a pocket, and then tuck the jack of the microphone inside the helmet so that doesn't get wet. Another thing that's so fantastic about the Insta360 camera is it comes with its own editing software on your smart device. So if you don't have any editing software, that comes included with the package and will get you up and running should you want to produce your own videos or etc. Now I'd just like to also point out that this video is not sponsored by Insta360. Everything you've seen in this video is purchased by myself. Now I have tried other action cameras and microphone combinations, but I find this one works the best. It's just simple, easy, and it works straight out of the box. Now with this camera you get one battery, and that battery will last roughly 1 hour of record time, so bear that in mind. You may need to purchase spare batteries. Now the other thing to notice with this lavalier microphone is that we're riding a twin Honda here, which is quite, what's the word I'm looking for, like thumpy in its tone, and it also drowns out that engine noise from that also, which is really nice. Obviously that's something else you want to consider if you are thinking about recording your voice inside your helmet. Obviously you need a microphone that's going to be able to reduce the engine noise from your motorcycle. Now the wind's blowing directly into my face, so we're going to not only do 70 miles an hour on the motorbike, we've also got a headwind also to give you a demonstration of the sound quality. So we're doing just over 70 now, and also worth noting that my head is slightly vibrating with the wind in my face, so this will give you an idea of the stabilisation from the action camera on the chin mount. But now we're doing 80, so let me know what you think to the audio quality from the lavalier mic also. Now inside the helmet, the wind is absolutely making an absolute racket. It feels like my eardrums are going to explode. I forgot to put my earplugs in. Hopefully the lavalier microphone is doing a great job of reducing that wind noise, and yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think to the audio quality. Now what I'll do, I'll leave links to all the products in this video in the top pinned comment and in the description section of this video, so if that's something of interest to you, make sure you go check them out. Like I say though, this video is not sponsored by any company or manufacturer, so if you do want to show us some support, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that thumbs up button. So as we head back home, I think this is going to wrap up this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. If you want to see further videos from myself, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to us, and we'll catch up in that next video. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you soon.